riding the 2019 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler. This is one of the funnest motorcycles I have ever ridden. It's got a lot of torque and it actually handles it surprisingly well. You wouldn't think for being a three-wheel motorcycle that it would handle so well. Now it does have the RDRS system on it, traction control and so forth, and when it does detect that the bike is losing control, it will cut torque and engine power. It will pull the front tire off the ground. I believe it has either 118 foot-pounds of torque at 3,500 RPMs or 122 at 4,200 RPMs. Not sure, I don't remember exactly on that. My wife loves riding with me. Of course, I don't ride as aggressive with her on there. And I don't know what it looks like on camera yet, but I'm taking these corners at about 20-25 mile an hour faster than what the sign says. Just to kind of give you an idea of how well it handles a curve. They say you don't have to lean on a three-wheel bike, but I do. To throw that center of gravity out a little ways from it. Seems like it helps a little bit. And I do feel, I can feel like the front tire slide just a little bit on some of the curves, but that's usually if I'm giving it a little bit of throttle, keeping it in that power range. But this is, like I said, one of the funnest bikes I've ever ridden. Absolutely love it. I don't know if that looks like, but this is 60 around a 35 mile an hour curve. So the thing does hold pretty good. I do not advise riding like that. Of course, the better the angle on the curve, the more speed you can carry around it. That's just a little bit of riding right there. Give you a little bit of an example of what it looks like to be on one of these. I like this better than the Tri-Glide. The Tri-Glide is the one that's got the full back seat and the large luggage compartments on the back. I hear they have, they're a little more top heavy than the Freewheeler. Freewheeler comes in at about 1,100 pounds, a little over 1,100 pounds. And it's low to the ground, real low to the ground. So I think that's what helps this out. I heard you can't take a Tri-Glide around corners as fast as you can a Freewheeler. Now I don't know that for sure because I've never rode one like that. I have test drove one, and it was pretty fun, but it's not as sporty as the Freewheeler is. And I love the Freewheeler too because it just looks like a 1960s hot rod. It's got the dual exhaust out the back, sounds amazing. I don't know, you probably can't hear it over the helmet. I got my visor down. Love it. Well, that's it. That is riding the 2019 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler.